You want be a for your visa, make you fly out regular, baby. Cock up your.
Hey loves, it's your girl Always Mera here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I revived my hair from weeks and weeks of me neglecting my hair and just putting it in a bun. So please stay tuned and see how I was able to accomplish that. Start off by parting my hair down the middle, and then I'm going to split those sections into threes. I'm starting off with some warm lemon that I put in the microwave for about 45 seconds. I'm squeezing this onto my scalp just to help soothe some of the dryness and itchiness. Next, I'm taking my Duco stimulating oil. They have this at Walmart for about $6. You can use whichever oil you prefer. I'm just putting this right where I put the lemon and also on my ends because of how dry it was, and I'm just massaging it into my scalp. After working those two products in, I'm just going to take the section and just braid it so that I can get the hair out of the way. Moving on to the next section, I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to add my lemon and also add in some of the oil, and make sure that you really work those two into your hair. Then I'm going to braid it so it can saturate. This is my hair halfway done, and I'm just going to finish the rest of it off camera. This is my hair fully finished braiding, finally, and my boyfriend likes to call me ASAP or Young and Me. But yeah, I'm just gonna put it under a shower cap for approximately like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna be using Jamaican black castor oil shampoo from To Moisturize, and I'm just taking some so I can use that on my roots and my scalp. Then I'm going to rinse it out and then unbraid it so that I will be able to condition each and every little strand. Then I'm going to be taking my Garnier's Whole Blends Repair and Conditioner just to help repair some of the damage that I've caused due to neglection. This is my hair not conditioned and the other half conditioned. Next, I'm going to be taking my To Moisturize Cocoa Nut Grapeseed Oil Damage Rehab Conditioner. I got this from TJ Maxx for about like $6, and when I tell you this is my favorite conditioner as of right now. This is only like my second time trying it, and it's so amazing. It feels like so soft on my hair. It automatically detangles it, and I love it. I don't really like wet hair down my back, so I just braid it out of the way and let all my products saturate. Alright, so after the shower, I just used this microfiber cloth that I got from Sally's for like $5, and now I'm just unbraiding my hair. After it's been a little bit dried, it's still kind of damped. I'm using the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner / detangling spray, and I'm just gonna spray my hair with this product from root to ends, and I'm just working it into my hair. Next, I'm using the Fantasia Frizz Buster Serum. I got this from Walmart. I believe it's like almost $8, and I love this product because it's so lightweight, and I love using it after I just freshly washed my hair. And I'm just focusing a little bit more on my ends and a little bit on my roots as well. Now I'm just taking some black castor oil, and I'm just gonna use a little bit, and I'm gonna massage this oil onto my scalp and using the rest for my ends. Next, I'm using Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. Oh my god. And I really love this product. It really does make my hair really soft, and I love using this on wash day. I just wanted to show you how healthy it looks and how revived it looks. It doesn't look dead and dry anymore. So now I'm just going to part my hair and I'm going to go ahead and braid it into pigtails again. I'm going to be taking a satin scarf and I'm going to wrap my hair with the satin scarf first, just so that it stays on, because you know whenever you put on a bonnet it sometimes just falls off whenever you're sleeping. So I just want to make sure my hair is protected, so I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use this big old bonnet that I got from the beauty supply store for like $5. It was so cheap. And just like that, I'm going to bed.
The next day.
So surprisingly my bonnet stayed on, and now I'm just gonna undo my braids so I can see how my braid out came out, and luckily it came out so good. I was so happy and my hair felt so soft, but it was still kind of wet a little bit. I'm taking this really big wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna fluff out my hair because it's really flat due to me using the scarf. And what I'm doing here is I'm fluffing it out with the comb and I'm using my fingers to stretch it out, and I'm really getting into the roots so that I can use that to make some more volume. This is without it and that's with me using my technique, and I'm just gonna keep on doing that. I'm literally just, you know, as I'm fluffing it out, I'm pulling it at the same time, if that makes sense. Really trying to work to get that volume, to get my hair puffy, just like how I like it. This is what it's looking like as of right now. I was just so happy of how it was feeling more than anything. And these are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see another hair tutorial, just go ahead and comment down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye!